What is the constant term in the simplified binomial expansion of 2 over x plus x over 4 to the power of 8? So clearly we'll want an equal power of each of these. And because it's raised to the power of 8 in total, we'll want a power of 4 and a power of 4 because these powers need to add up to make 8. And since they're equal, must be half of 8. So we'll get a 2 to the 4. And then from the 4 on the denominator, we'll have 4 to the 4. We also need to account for the combinatorial factor. So this will be 8 choose 2, which will be 8 factorial over 4 factorial times 4 factorial. Now, how can we simplify this? Because this is now just a game of simplification. Well, 4 to the 4 is 2 to the 4 times 2 to the 4. So we could write that as 1 over 2 to the 4. And then the 8 factorial and the 4 factorial times 4 factorial. Well, if we saw what this looks like, we have 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and then 1 over 2 to the 4. If you notice, the 2 to the 4 will help the 4, 3, 2, 1 become 8, 6, 4, 2. So what we end up having is that 8, 6, 4, 2 cancels with these parts. And then we also have a 3 cancelling here, and then ones that we don't need to worry about. So we have 7 times 5 over 4 times 2, which is 35 over 8, which is B. So that's our answer. Now, just as a tip, I wouldn't recommend writing everything out. I would have recommended identifying that 8 factorial would have had components that, when divided by 2, would have become a 4 factorial, the 8, 6, 4, and 2. And then noticing that, just looking at what powers or what terms are left here in the expansion. So this would mean not maybe writing out the ones, but it does depend on how comfortable you are with the algebra. If there are any questions, please do let me know, but hopefully that all made sense.